Hi there and welcome to syncX, Stock Sync. You can add or update custom data, Metafield, to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find for custom data, Metafield. You can add multiple different metafields on feed. Click on Add Metafield and search or select the metafields listed in your store. The field will display the content owner namespace and key. Enter the column name or index for mapping. To set a fixed value for all products, click Fixed Value and enter desired value. For the Metafield Smart Settings, there is a feature you can skip updates when the feed value is blank. Note that a value of 0 is not considered blank. Then, we do have an option Remove Metafield when value is blank and feed is enabled. Blank feed values are automatically set as empty in the store, instead of as a hyphen. Enable this option to only update products without a metafield in your Shopify store. This will prevent existing product metafields from being disrupted. The Find and Replace allows you to replace any word or phrase from the feed with the value that you have added. For example, replace the value comic. Simply enter comic on Find field and enter cartoon on Replace field. Then you can view the metafield owner and content type that you set. You can set the default value if blank. For example, if some products in the feed has a blank value, you can set according to your preference. By clicking on the Add Metafield button, you are able to map with more metafields. Once you are ready, click on Next, and all changes will be saved.